Without a sense of urgency, desire loses its value. Days are expensive. When you spend a day, you have one less day to spend. So make sure you spend each one wisely. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Discipline has within it the potential for creating future miracles. We must all suffer one of 2 things, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Poor people spend their money and save what's left. Rich people save their money and spend what's left. Be fascinated instead of frustrated. The stronger the why, the easier the how becomes. Don't join an easy crowd, you won't grow. Go where the expectations and the demands to perform are high. Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems, wish for more skills. Don't wish for less challenge, wish for more wisdom. The day you graduate from childhood to adulthood is the day you take full responsibility for your life. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. You cannot change your decision overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. You cannot make progress without making decisions. Don't let your learning lead to knowledge. Let your learning lead to action. You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Don't spend major time on minor things. Every day, stand guard at the door of your mind. Life is not just the passing of time. Life is the collection of experiences and their intensity. If you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Without constant activity, the threats of life will soon overwhelm the values. Don't say, if I could, I would. Say, if I can, I will. The more you care, the stronger you can be. It isn't what the book costs, it's what it will cost you if you don't read it. Start reading, and especially read the kinds of books that will help you unleash your inner potential. You are more likely to achieve your goals if you keep them to yourself. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. Formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. Take interest and even delight in doing the small things well. If you don't sow, you don't reap. You don't even have a chance. No one else makes us angry. We make ourselves angry when we surrender control of our attitude. One of the greatest gifts you can give to anyone is the gift of your attention. The few who do are the envy of the many who only watch. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it is something you design for the present. Learn how to be happy with what you have, while you pursue all that you want. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out the chance to see the next video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.